Wake up, baby, all the stars are shining bright. Yeah, we should stay up so that we can look at them all night.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna go and clean somewhere else. We are not gonna be cleaning here at the house. So I'm actually taking some of my supplies over to my mom's house and gonna go clean over there. She has had a couple of surgeries since she's moved into her new place. And the last few months she's been recovering and then having another surgery and so on. We're gonna go over there, help her out, get everything nice and clean. I'm gonna go ahead and start off with showing you some of the things I'm bringing. The rest of the stuff she has at her house, gloves, cloths, those types of things. So we are gonna keep it simple. I am bringing my vacuum cleaner, my Dyson, so I'm bringing the charger to it because I think it needs to be charged. I'm also bringing a pair of gloves just in case. I know she has some gloves there, but I'm gonna bring those just in case. And then I just brought some of the Method cleaners. So the glass cleaner, wood cleaner, and then this is the bathroom cleaner, my newest one that I got. It's the foaming tub and tile cleaner, so for the tub. I also just picked up this new product right here. It is the 7th generation all-purpose cleaner. And this is in the Fresh Morning Meadow scent. And I'm bringing some Dawn Power Wash because you can't go wrong with that. One of these sponges. What else? Some Lysol disinfecting spray. And I'm bringing this little, this is essential oils and baking soda. I'm also bringing one of these little tools here just for any like cracks, areas that I can't get in with a cloth or a sponge. I'm also bringing one of the wallflower refills. I did buy a bunch of them and I know hers was getting low, so I want to go ahead and bring one. So I'm also going to bring some Fabuloso or Fabuloso. Somebody told me I said it wrong in a video and I thought I was saying it right all these years. I've been using it on and off for years, so I don't know. I'm bringing some of that also so I can use her mop and do the spray and mop with it to clean her floors. So that's pretty much it. So let's head over there.
Wake up, baby, all the stars are shining bright. Yeah, we should stay up so that we can look at them all night. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Everything's so magical. All I need is you tonight. If I shut my eyes, keeping them closed, all other senses explodes. You and me under the sky.
We are going to go ahead and start with washing her bathroom rugs. I'm going to go ahead and use her Tide detergent pods that she already had on hand. I'm washing them in cold water, and since it's a small load, it doesn't take very long.
Let's stay up all night.
So I am starting with the living room. It's the least amount of work, so I just wanted to go ahead and get it cleaned up. I'm putting her mail and any papers that I don't know whether to throw away or not. I'm throwing it in that bin so she can take a look at it later, but it's all in one place, super easy for her to decide herself whether she needs to throw something away or if it's important and she needs to keep it.
Baby, let me hear what's on your mind. Yeah, let's talk. You have my attention tonight. Just keep holding me, don't let me go. Making it so magical. All I need is you tonight. If you shut your eyes, keep them.
I had a feeling I was going to forget something. I brought the baking soda so I can let the baking soda soak into the couches. I left that on for 15 minutes, but I forgot my small couch head that goes to my Bissell. So I just went ahead and cleaned this head really, really well before I used it on her couch.
Didn't waste our time, didn't sleep as much as now. Let's stay up all night.
So ever since my mom moved into this home, she has not really been able to finish all the things she wants to finish. She wants to decorate a little bit more. She kind of has some things in boxes with purchases that she's made, but she has had one surgery after another. And with surgery comes recovery, and she's had a lot of recovery time and downtime, so she's not able to get the things she wants to get done.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky.
She did order some pillows and pillow covers, and she ordered these pillows from Amazon, and they are not as fluffy as we would want them, but they will do for now. They're super affordable, and it just gives a little bit of texture to her couch. I just went ahead and put them together for her.
'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Found my way, my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way. Found my way, my way. I found my way, I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. 'Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way. 'Cause I found my way, my way, my way.
All of her furniture she did find from Living Spaces. We just went there one day, and she needed all new stuff because she did move from Washington State. I know a lot of you guys know that, but if you're new here, we're from Washington, and my mom, now 6 years later, has moved down here, and she's been loving it here. I knew she would, being from Washington State. I mean, the majority of her life she was there, besides when she was in the military, where we lived in different states. We lived in a different country at that time, but the majority of her life has been there. So being here has just been so much better on our mental state. If you are from the Pacific Northwest or have been out there for a long period of time, you know what I'm saying, but we love all the sunshine here.
Shooting me with words, but I won't let them bruise. Even though it hurts, I won't show it to you. 'Cause it will ricochet, I won't let it bite. I will look at you and tell you that I'm alright. Like a ricochet, it will come back to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you're trying to hurt me, my skin's getting thicker each day. I don't know how you fall asleep at night, knowing that your words are hurtful, it's just not right. No, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. Like a ricochet, like a ricochet, like a ricochet. to you. Let me tell you, no, because my eyes are open, your words will keep bouncing away. And even if you try to hurt me, my skin's getting.
So she doesn't have a dishwasher, which is not a problem at all. We're gonna go ahead and just wash as many dishes that I can fit on this dish mat and then towel dry them, put them away in the cabinet, and then finish the rest of the dishes. If you're enjoying the video and getting some cleaning motivation from it, please let me know down in the comments. Also give me a thumbs up. On a different day, I'm going to be installing this shower head for her because it's the handle type and she could really use that. There's some other things I need to do in her house as well. We're going to be doing some organizing. I'm going to be organizing her cabinets, her shelves that she has here in the bathroom, but also she has some built-in shelves in her bedroom. If you're excited for some more organizing and in a different place than just my house, make sure you have your notification bell turned on. I'm also running behind on time because I have to pick up Ava, so I am going to finish the guest bedroom later. So we have some more projects that we want to do so we can get the house feeling like home for her and functional and just the way she likes it so she can enjoy it. So now the rugs are clean and they're smelling good. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the before so you remember where we started and then the after shots. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed today's cleaning motivation and had fun with me over at my mom's house. Her house was definitely left clean and just that feeling of calmness. She was very happy and I was happy that she was happy. So I will see all of you guys in the next one. I love you guys. Bye.